All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, after a couple days of prep, this Honda CR-V is ready for paint. I gotta do my wipe downs, but it's ready for base coat. Let me show it to you. So it's all taped up, all sanded down, fix some dings here, fix that massive dent that was back there. So this is all, it is not perfect, but it is much better than it was. Here, down there, and here. Did a little body work. So she's ready to get sprayed, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down with some wax and grease remover and then hit it with some isopropyl alcohol and get to spraying. We already got air. We are ready to go. So I'm not going to waste any more time babbling. I may set you up on the tripod when I get to spraying the clear, but maybe, maybe not. We'll see. So I'll bring you back when there's something more to show. Hey guys, Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab, formerly DetailJuice.com. I have right here a 2012 Honda CR-V that I painted yesterday. Let me show it to you. All right, so it's a factory color. I had to do just a little bit of body work. This corner was all messed up, but I blended it all in. The plastic is just warped there. And then another spot where I did some body work is underneath the license plate. Looks pretty good. It's not perfect, but it looks great. So as far as getting this thing done, we are doing it. So this thing is complete. Looks awesome. Pretty happy with it. It was not good before. But she is definitely presentable and very nice now. I took the badge off and then put new double-sided tape on it. But looks great. Very happy with how this came out. If you need something painted, 813-846-4406. That's about 4 coats of paint and 2 coats of high solids clear coat. I'm using a new clear coat today on this car that works very well. I'm still doing a little bit of testing with it to ensure that that's what I'm going to be using more often than not, but definitely working out very well. I very much dig this clear coat. So great for overalls and spot panel. So nice and glossy, mimics the factory orange peel pretty good, lays down nice and flat. If you need me, 813-846-4406 if you need something painted, or if you need wheel curb rash repair fixed, or you need your wheels touched up, or you want your brake calipers painted, or you have a rip in your interior leather, I can fix all of that. You want your carpets dyed, we can do that. All of the restoration type services, that's what I do. Mainly focusing on auto body and paint, and we do mobile smart repairs. That is small to medium repair technology. Small and medium repair technology. Smart. So give me a shout if you need me. Have a great day, guys.